Hello, kids. Have you ever wondered how lemons grow? Do they just appear on trees? No, there's a secret magic called pollination. It all begins with beautiful white flowers. The lemon flower has two main parts inside it, that is, stamens and a pistil. Oh, look! We have a visitor here, a honeybee. It has come to drink nectar. And what is it carrying in its legs? Can you see? The bee is carrying the pollen grains from one flower to another. These grains are produced by the anthers and get transferred to the stigma, and this is known as pollination. So simple. It all begins with a flower, the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma. After pollination, fertilization takes place. A pollen tube grows out from the pollen grain, carrying the male cells. It grows through the style, reaches the ovary, enters the ovule, and there the male and the female cells fuse to form a zygote. After fertilization, the petals and the stamens dry and fall off, and the fertilized ovary matures and grows into a fruit. And this picture tells you all tiny lemons and a ripened lemon. I hope you liked the video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.